Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. First of all, we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, because then you're here at the control center. The part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings here at the top corner. No? So now you need to scroll down to the point General Management. Usually there should be a gray icon with some white stuff to adjust in it. And from below it should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the 6th point from below. Okay, tap here. Now you will need the first point, language. So, and here we are. So maybe you're having a little list, like in my case, and if your language is part of that list, so in my case German, so Deutsch, no? Then just tap here and go on the blue button to apply. And your language is immediately here the language of the phone. But let me show you what to do if you don't have here a list. Let me turn it back to English first. So if you don't have, if you don't have a list here, like in my case, then you need to add a language with a green plus symbol. So now you can choose from many languages. Let's keep going on for the video here in English again, that you can follow the video better. And the second step, you can choose a local dialect, because some words are different. Let's take the dialect from South Africa. Greetings, by the way. And now you need to choose the most white one here, set as default. If the text size is too large, then sometimes set as default is below. So choose the one, which one is on the right or below. And then your language is immediately set it up here, like in our case now, English with the dialect of South Africa. Okay, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos here, or you can also subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.